Elon Musk is a well-known inventor, businessman, and visionary. His companies have changed their respective industries and increased the standard for innovation, including SpaceX and Tesla. His most recent endeavor, the creation of TruthGPT, intends to revolutionize information consumption and raise the standard of online communicate. The same GPC for technology that underpins ChatGPT is used to construct TruthGPT, a language model. The rationale for the formation of the two models is that basic distinction: TruthGPT is intended to find and filter out false information, propaganda, and fake news on the internet, in contrast to ChatGPT, which is intended to help users with a variety of activities in response to his worry of the rise in false information and misleading news on the internet. Musk launched through the TVT. According to him, the internet has developed into a haven for false information that is bad for society. The problem is made worse by the fact that for many people, social media platforms and now their main source of news and information, the algorithms of these sites usually prioritize sensational and bait content which could help disseminate false information. TruthGPT's main objective is to assist users in distinguishing between reliable and false information in order to find patterns that point to inaccurate or misleading information. Analysis text using a combination of natural language processing and machine learning approaches. A sizable collection of validated data, including data from reliable sources like news articles, scientific research, and other sources, is used to train the system. It is crucial that TruthGPT be able to defend its conclusions it lets users when it finds inaccurate or deceptive content. This feature is essential because of teach as individuals how to identify false information without the assistance of an AI model. Another benefit is TruthGPT's capacity for learning from its mistakes. Users can report instances where the model was inaccurate, and the model incorporate that feedback into its training data to gradually increase its accuracy. This feedback is crucial for making sure the model develops and changes to accommodate new kinds of false information. The potential benefits of TruthGPT are huge. By giving people a mechanism for weeding out false material, it could help stop the spread of propaganda and fake news. This may lead to a more informed and engaged community where people base their judgments on the truth rather than rumors and conspiracies. TruthGPT, however, can come with some hazards. One concern is that the approach will be used to silence distant voices and sense of free speech. If the model is biased towards one point of view and has not been trained on a wide variety of concepts, it may be used to stifle legitimate criticism. Dozens and opposing viewpoints. The model may be hacked or used to propagate fake information, which is another concern. Bad actors might utilize algorithmic vulnerabilities in the model to disseminate false information and fake news. This would pose a significant threat to the model's credibility, eroding any potential advantages. One area where TruthGPT may have a huge impact is politics. Since the creation of social media, politicians have increasingly used online platforms to spread their ideas and interact with voters. However, as a result of this, misinformation and false information have proliferated, which may affect election outcomes and threaten the democratic process. TruthGPT could aid in lessening the influence of misleading information and propaganda on political discourse by giving users a tool to filter that. This might lead to better informed voters or more fruitful political discourse grounded in facts as opposed to sentiment and misinformation. TruthGPT might also be used in the fields of research and medicine. With the COVID-19 outbreak, there's been a deluge of false information and conspiracies spreading online. The upshot has been uncertainty and mistrust, which can be harmful to public health. TruthGPT may assist to lessen the negative effects of incorrect information and conspiracy theories on public health. Like giving users a tool for spotting the truth, this might lead to a better comprehension of the disease and more successful public health initiatives. TruthGPT might have industrial uses. Businesses, for instance, may use it to make sure that the information and in marketing materials is accurate and not deceptive. This might increase consumer confidence, will lessen the negative effects of deceptive advertising. Another potential business application is finance. There is a significant amount of false information circulating in the financial markets as a result of the growth of online trading platforms and the complexity of financial products. By giving consumers a tool for screening up false information, TruthGPT may help to reduce the impact of false information on financial decision-making. Furthermore, the launch of TruthGPT could boost both natural language processing and artificial intelligence. They would need to be significant improvements in data collection, processing, and interpretation because TruthGPT would need to be trained on enormous amounts of accurate data to spot false information and deceptive statements. It would also be necessary for TruthGPT to be able to adapt to changes in the language and context of the data it is assessing. This will require constant system improvement and learning, which might result in advances in machine learning. AI as a whole, of course, that would be challenges and risks involved in creating and implementing TruthGPT. The potential for biases to be ingrained in the algorithms is one of the primary risks associated with the use of AI in general. These biases could lead to the continuation of the current social and economic inequalities of the spread of false information within certain populations. If they are not addressed, it will be crucial to ensure that TruthGPT is developed and implemented in open and responsible manner. In order to lessen these risks, this might require the creation of impartial oversight committees, regular algorithm units, and the participation of various stakeholders throughout the development process. Additionally, it will be crucial to make sure that the data used to train TruthGPT is diverse and inclusive of all cultures and viewpoints. This could help to lessen the impact of biases and guarantee the algorithms reliable and accuracy for all users. Additionally, it is essential to stress that the launch of TruthGPT would not be a solution to the issue of misinformation and false information. While it may aid in lessening the effects of false claims and propaganda, it is unable to deal with the root causes of these issues. It will be necessary to address the social and economic and political factors that contribute to the spread of disinformation. If the problem of disinformation is to be genuinely solved, this can entail fostering independent journalism, improving media literacy and critical thinking skills, and addressing inequalities in access to technology and information. And lost the launch of TruthGPT is a positive step towards creating a society that is more informed and engaged, but it's only one part of a bigger picture, and we still have to deal with the biggest structural issues that fuel the spread of false and misleading information. Last but not least, Elon Musk's launch of TruthGPT may mark a significant advancements in the war against false information and fake news by giving users a tool for detecting accurate information. And we want fortune and claims TruthGPT mailed to decrease the effects of propaganda and incorrect information on our society. TruthGPT must, however, be developed and used with caution and foresight, addressing the risks and problems associated with AI use, ensuring that the data used to train TruthGPT is diverse and representative, and creating explicit criteria and limitations for its use will be crucial. The launch of TruthGPT is simply one piece of a larger puzzle, and we must continue to address the wider structural issues that country